install those. It's actually pretty neat though. I bet those lights are bright. What kind are they? Okay, what kind though? What are those ones called? Yeah, you don't want to put it too tight. Yeah, because on ours it's this one. Yeah. And that didn't change when you changed the button. Yeah, it's true. Right on, yeah, let's look in here. Ah, you got lucky. That's how you're supposed to do it, Trent, just like that.
At the bottom, like it.
Yeah, no, you can see your teeth there, push it out.
Hey.
You did it perfect.
Okay.
You're hired for demonstrating. Right? Oh, so you lock it there?
Yeah, well, you can lock it wherever you're working. Just lock it.
Oh, it's not on there. Lock it in. I know it's in you.
You gotta manually lock it.
Yeah, so right here. Right here you lock.
Yeah. For floating over. Jeff, stick it back in the center.
Oh, it's in the center.
Yeah.
You're gonna unlock it.
Right there.
Okay, I'll lock up.
Now take it for a spin. Try it out. No, take it for a ride.
Like you did.
No, but up the hill. Try it out. That's why you brought it. Try it. Oh, don't it? One speed. Okay, that's what I thought. Because I pushed that button.
I'm thinking of the other one.
I pushed the button, nothing happened.
No, that is on that store.